welcome back to my channel. If we haven't met yet, my name is Tiffany. I'm a Washington realtor with a love for interior design, decorating, and DIY, especially when I could do those things on a budget. So about a week ago, my sweet mama and I were going out for her birthday, and what did she want to do for her birthday? She wanted to go to the Goodwill Outlet. And I have to tell you, this was the best day I've had there. There were so many bins of home decor items, and they just kept bringing them out. I filled up a cart completely, and I ended up checking out, loading up the car, and coming back and doing it again. So what I decided to do is break this up into a two-part series. What you'll be seeing today is round one of what I found. Come back next week and I'll show you round two. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you guys enjoy. If this is your first time at the Goodwill Outlet, welcome. The way this works is they bring out these large blue bins of categorized items. You dig through, pick what you want, and you pay by the pound. I can't tell you the last time I bought a picture frame new. This is a great place to pick up items like that. This appeared to be part of a tiered tray that had fallen apart or broken, so I decided to see what I could do with it. So today I'm using E6000. If you haven't used this stuff before, it kind of reminds me of a silicone. I found this taper candle holder in the bins as well, so I thought I would try it out as a base for this project. This canister lid here had some Sharpie on it. I decided to try using the most gentle thing I could think of to remove it, which was rubbing alcohol, and much to my surprise, it did work. They had so many nice baskets there this day, and it's rare to find sets, so I was excited to find these two. I thought this topiary was really cute. I had actually noticed it in somebody else's cart, and sometimes people throw things back, and this was one of those items, so I snagged it up. The base here did have some wear, some damage on it, so I decided to see what I could do to fix it up.
Today I'm using a gel stain on it. Now in hindsight, I should have prepped this a little bit better. As I was painting, some pieces did start to flake off a bit. So if you're doing a project like this, it's probably best to hit it with a sanding pad or something like that first. I've really enjoyed having these battery operated taper candles. If you have little ones or pets in your home, this is a great alternative to actual candles. And I really like that they have wax on the outside, so they mimic a real candle fairly well. Also, I like that they can run on a timer and they come with a remote. I will go ahead and link these down in the description below, along with any other products used in this video in case you would like to check them out. Here I am just touching up the nicks and scratches on this tray. I'm just using a Sharpie. I'm sure there are better options, but that is just what I had on hand and it did the trick. This is a really nice big basket. I think this would be so cute with an olive tree or a fiddle leaf tree in it. Online, it looks like these start around $20. The handle did have some damage. I just decided to twist it up and leave it as is. I really liked the nice clean lines on this. It was a little beat up though. When you're out shopping, keep in mind that a fresh coat of paint can make such a big difference. This was one of my favorite finds for the day. I have been searching for a step stool to keep in my laundry room so I can reach the upper cabinets, and this definitely fit the bill. And I even loved the color and the chippy paint. I just thought it was a really fun find. These are some really nice heavy-duty brackets. They are originally from IKEA, and these would not only be nice for shelving, they could also work for creating a little desk in a kid's bedroom or a folding area in a laundry room. Wooden bowls like this are such a great way to add a little pop of warmth in a kitchen. So when I found this vintage set, I was happy to grab them, just wash them up, and they were good to go. I couldn't find this exact lamp online, but it looks like similar ones start selling for around $150. These mini wreaths here were brand new, and these are something I would use as napkin rings, and I would use these year round. This was another exciting find of the day. This wreath here is almost identical to the one at Anthropologie that is currently selling for $78. This wax melt warmer gets very hot and I wanted to paint it, so my husband suggested using engine paint. It is heat resistant up to 500 degrees, so that is one option if you are looking for a high heat paint. And here are some of the miscellaneous items that I found. I'm not quite sure what I'll do with this just yet. I figure I could put a vase in there with some flowers, or our tissue box did happen to perfectly fit in there. If you guys have any ideas, I'd love to hear. So that is everything I found the first part of this shopping trip. Now, before I share exactly how much I spent, if you enjoyed this video, if you would do me a big favor and hit that like button, and if you subscribe, that will ensure that you don't miss future videos. Now let's get down to those numbers. Before tax, I spent a total of $49.55. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.